Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily locate your lost Chrome bookmarks. Let's begin. First, open up your favorite browser. Probably it's going to be Chrome. And from here, click on this icon. It will reveal more options. Simply hover down, click on Settings. Then from here on the left panel, click on Appearance. Then just locate show bookmarks bar. So as you can see, it's turned off or disabled. Click this and you will notice this will automatically pop up on your Chrome browser. So you can simply go back here if you would like to disable. Another way is on your keyboard, you can press Control Shift key. What I mean is Control Shift B, B for Bravo, right? So do that and it automatically shows up here and you can simply toggle it off with the same key, Control Shift B. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.